Chombo, Chipanga, Hamandishe arrested again. Police in Harare have arrested former ZANU-PF leaders Ignatius Chombo, Kudzanai Chipanga and innocent Hamandishe on charges of criminal nuisance after photographs of them wearing caps emblazoned and Kutanga Kwara went viral on social media. Their lawyer Lovemore Madhuku confirmed to Newsday that Chombo, Chipanga and Hamandishe were rounded up by the police law and order section early on Thursday. My clients were rounded up early yesterday, Thursday, by the police law and order section. They have just finished recording warned and caution statements after charging them with criminal nuisance for wearing caps, he said. The complainant in the matter is ZANU-PF party and this is the worst human right abuse I ever witnessed in this new dispensation. How can a person get arrested for wearing a cap? The ex-ZANU-PF leaders appeared at the Harare Magistrates Court facing criminal nuisance allegations after they allegedly took photographs of themselves wearing the party regalia. They appeared before Magistrate Hamandishe Gwala, who remanded them to January 8 next year on the same bail conditions initially given to them by the High Court. It is the state's case that on a day unknown to the prosecution in Harare between December 8 and 13, Chombo and his alleged accomplices, acting in common purpose with Masilela, who is still at large, connived to commit an act of criminal nuisance before, well knowing that they had been expelled from ZANU-PF, acted in common purpose and took photographs of themselves while wearing ZANU-PF party regalia in the form of hats with an embroidered ZANU-PF flag, inscribed Ed and Kutanga Kwara. The court heard that the four then posted the said photographs on social media. According to the state, this was an act seen by ZANU-PF hierarchy as a nuisance to ZANU-PF. Michael Reza appeared for the state. ZANU-PF spokesperson Simon Kayamoyo on Wednesday issued a warning to the three over the photographs. The party wishes to make it clear that these expelled members have no entitlement to representing ZANU-PF and neither do they have the right to represent the President and First Secretary in any form. Their actions constitute serious criminal conduct and, therefore, are abhorred in the strongest terms, reads the statement. Moyo further said the actions were bent on soiling the party's good name and that of its president and First Secretary Emmerson Mnangagwa. He said if they continued with their conduct the party would institute remedial measures it deemed appropriate. Chombo, who appeared in court on Thursday on fresh corruption and bribery allegations, is on $5,000 bail with stringent conditions. He was ordered to report 3 times daily at the police, reside at the given address, not to visit government offices, surrender title deeds to his $700,000 house and surrender his passport. Chipanga and Hamandishe are on $500 bail.